Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am playing with the newly launched GLAMLITE X Hershey's collection. I have picked up a few products from the collection and I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful look, and I will show you swatches and share my first impression thoughts at the end of this video. And as per usual, all the timestamps are always underneath this video to navigate through. Before we get started, I would love to welcome new visitors and viewers to my channel. Hi, my name is Eve. I love all things beauty. Here on my channel I share about makeup, skincare, hair care, and at times lifestyle things like travel, fashion, and lifestyle vlogs. If that sounds interesting to you, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and now without further ado, let's dive in. GLAMLITE X Hershey's collection was just recently launched, and there were two parts to this collection. One part to this collection was called Cookies and Cream, which is the items that I picked up from, and then the second part was called Milk Chocolate. Each collection had a 12-pan eyeshadow palette, a duo of highlighters, and a lip kit. The promo campaign and the photos of products look absolutely stunning. I've tried the GLAMLITE eyeshadow formula prior, but I haven't tried anything else. When I first tried their formula, I knew in the future I would be interested to try more from the brand, and this time I definitely wanted to also try their lip products. All these products within this collection launch were individually available for purchase. However, there were also bundles of a lot of these products. Okay guys, I'm starting with my complexion ready to go, and everything that I'm wearing I will link for you in the description box. So there were two parts to this collection, and I picked up only the two items from Cookies and Cream portion of it. I picked up the palette and the lip kit. I'll go ahead and open all the packages. They are sealed in a Ziplocs, so let's see what the palette looks like. And it looks like it has this insert with numbers. The shades look so beautiful, especially the shimmer is so beautifully reflective. I really love the imprints of Hershey's in the eyeshadows, very beautiful. And let's open the lip kit. So the lip kit looks like that. So it sits here. So there's a lip gloss, a lipstick, and the pencil. The lipstick looks very matte outside, but it is a cream formula, what it feels like. And here's the lip gloss. Very cute packaging as well. I really like this detailing. Very nice and glossy. The color looks beautiful as well. The lipstick doesn't really have a lot of scent, but the gloss definitely has the Hershey's chocolate. And here's the pencil. It is a retractable pencil that goes up and down, and on the end of the pencil there is a tiny sharpener. The colors look very, very pretty. I can't wait to put them on my lips. The lip gloss looks like it does have a nice amount of pigment, so I think it could be also worn on its own. First, I want to try the lipstick formula. Let's just go ahead and apply everything. Okay, that applied beautifully. This is very, very creamy formula. It just glides on. Sometimes it can glide to places a little bit too much, but always have that concealer flat brush ready and you will be fine. But this is also soft enough if you like to fill in your lips, make it look like lipstick. That's a good pencil for that. As far as the color, it's definitely that 90s brown lip type of thing, which I don't mind. It's a vibe. The bullet lipstick formula, very nice and creamy, beautiful color by the way. Very nice opacity, not too clunky, not accentuating my lip texture because I do have a lot of natural wrinkles on my lips. It doesn't have a lot of scent, and it's not too creamy. It does give you opacity, but it's very nice and comfortable, kind of like a thinner formula with opacity. And as far as the gloss, so far, this is my favorite one out of 3. I love chocolate. I love all things chocolate, and this smells like chocolate, like cookies and cream chocolate type of thing. I also love the pigment that it has. And now let's get into the eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, I created this makeup look on one eye, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did on this side. I'm starting with this shade. The shades are pretty pigmented, so I'm just putting this very lightly all over my lid. With Sin Duo 2, I'm going into this shade. I'm blending it into my crease, but into the inner portion more so. With my Morphe M506, I'm going into this shade. On my lower lash line, I'm going with this shade first, and then I'm gonna deepen it out with this shade again. I'm going to the initial transition shade, and with the initial fluffy brush, just with a very, very small amount of it, very gently, I'm going to blend out this edge right here. With my Refer 03, I'm going into the black shade. On my lid, I'm going to be going with this shade first and then this shade next. In my inner corner, I'm going to be mixing two different shades. This is going to go into my very inner corner, and I'm going to use this shade to blend two shades together. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I will give you my final first impression thoughts on everything that I've tried from the Hershey's X GLAMLITE collection. I will jump ahead here and say this is far from having even a bit of a disappointment. This is more than I expected. I am not new to GLAMLITE eyeshadow palette formula. I have a few palettes from GLAMLITE in my collection. However, I must say that this is a step ahead. This is better formula than in the palettes that I have. The mattes are incredible. Sometimes dark matte shades, especially dark blues like navy and grays and black shades, they can be very tricky to work with. They can become patchy. Sometimes they can just blow out like this. A lot of times matte dark shades are a bit harder to control. This was literally the easiest smoky eye of its kind that I've ever done. This exceeded my expectations. I am very much loving this look. I think I like it that much that this might be my next birthday look. My birthday is on New Year's Eve. It's always a party. This whole entire look is definitely a vibe, and I feel like I could be casting for the next seasons of True Blood. Even though it's not even a thing, I wish it was. True Blood show was my absolute top 5 favorite shows I've ever watched in my entire life. I definitely feel some type of vampy in this makeup look. I knew I wanted this palette when I saw the preview on the collection. I definitely feel like this palette was adding something new to my collection. However, I was a little bit nervous, like how dark it is. For most part, you only get very few light shimmers. Primarily, it is a darker palette. You definitely get your grungy smoky eyes out of this. The formulas are stunning, both mattes and shimmers. The packaging is really cute. I really like that it's nice and compact. You get 12 shades, and I love that there's a mirror. As far as the lip products, I definitely really enjoy them. Nothing is clumping up. I will be testing them and keep you updated in my monthly collective haul that will be filmed in just about a few weeks. So I finished my eye makeup look with these two products. This is an eye gel liner from NYX. This is in the shade Sunrise Blue, and I use this new CoverGirl liquid liner in the shade 300 Rich Brown. And everything else that I'm wearing on my face as far as complexion, lashes, etc. will be listed for you in the description box. I think this try-on video went pretty well, and I of course will be continuing testing everything, and we'll talk about it in my future videos. Let me know what you think of this makeup look. Did you like the collection? Did you pick up anything from this launch? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy watching this video, if you'd like to see more try-on videos or any eyeshadow palette related content, tutorials, I will have some videos linked for you in the cards at the end of this video. If you enjoy my company today and this video, give this video a big thumb up. It does help my channel out. And if you're not yet a subscriber, I invite you to subscribe to my channel before you leave today. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I will see you in my next videos.